everybody, it is your travel agent David, and today we are in Fairbanks International Airport. Now, this airport is relatively small. They only have 6 gates. They have gates A and B over here for small commuter planes. There's a 4x4 rental place here, but only Delta and Alaska come here. I think Frontier used to come here, but I'm not sure if they still do. But let's check out the airport. Take off, gates 1 through 6 are up the stairs, and the security's up there as well. If you're looking for brochures of things to do, they'll have plenty of them at your hotel, but they got some here as well. Now, if you're waiting for people to land, they do have a small little waiting area here. Personal story, when I came home from Afghanistan, I came home this way. My wife didn't even tell the kids I was coming home. She had them sitting in this row facing this way, keep them entertained. I came down the stairs and then surprised them. Look on their face, fantastic. All your big car company, rental companies are going to be here. They're going to be right by the baggage claim, as you can see. Now, there are only 2 carousels here, so you won't have a hard time finding your bags. Now, you can say hi to the grizzly and the polar bear. They've been here forever. So if you're coming here on a princess tour or any other kind of tour, they're all going to be right here with their signs ready to pick you up. During the summertime, this place is crazy with different places here to pick up different tours. Now, with regards to parking, you got short-term and long-term parking are literally across the street, and then the car rental return is the first lot that you're going to come to when you're coming into the airport. Now, when you leave the airport, it's really cool. They have a little statue up there that when the sun hits it, it makes it look like the Northern Lights. Now, for ride shares, taxis, buses, things like that, just head towards baggage claim. Those doors out there will be the best place to pick them up. So at the top of the stairs is security. We're not going to film that because I don't want to get in trouble, but that's where it's at. So once you get through security, gates 1 through 3 are on your left and 4 through 6 are on your right. Well, that completes our tour of Fairbanks International Airport. Now, the 1 through 3 is Alaska Airlines, 4 through 6 appear to be Delta. I do think Frontier flies in here, but only in the summer. So they may be opening up that here relatively soon. But if they come in, they'll probably be on the 4 through 6 side. So if you have any questions about Fairbanks International Airport, let me know and I'll do my best to answer them. Until next time, I'll see you next trip, but only after you hit that subscribe button. So I just looked, and it looks like American partners with Alaska. So you may be able to fly in on a different airline, but you're going to come in on Alaska.